Transferring money in Wise to Binance is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the wise.com site. Once you get into its site, tap to send money from the dashboard. To send money, you will get two options. One is international and other is the same currency. If you want to send money internationally, you can send exactly $1,000. Or you can change the type of currency or country beside the amount of money. Also, you can connect a bank account, and once you are done, click to continue. And then in the next step, you have to ensure if it's your personal, business, or on behalf of someone else transfer. But if you choose the personal option, then you have to enter your personal details. Start by selecting your country of residence. Then enter your first and middle name. Also, enter your legal last name. After that, you have to select your date of birth. Enter your phone number, and after that, enter your address, in which you have to enter your home address, city, postal code. Then click to save it. After that, it will take you to the next step in which you can see the receipt of your transaction. You can transfer from Wise to Binance using the Wise credit card. Note that this option has a 2% fee. For many people, the least expensive way to send money to their Binance account is through SEPA deposits.